Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices, so do this now. Enable developer options on your phone and turn on USB debugging. That lets the phone accept screen sharing commands. Make sure Android Auto is installed and the head unit is awake. Once done, install a trusted mirroring app that supports Android Auto bypass because Standard Auto blocks screen output. Finally, choose a robust cable and connect to the car. This minimizes disconnects and allows the phone to negotiate video output immediately. Now you configure the mirroring pathway. Open the mirroring app, grant overlay, accessibility, and input permissions so touch and audio routing work. These are necessary for control and safety. Select the recommended resolution, often 1:1 or 16:9, to match the head unit. Enable touch pass-through if you want to control apps from the car screen. Once configured, switch the app into Auto Bypass or AOA2 mode. Then reboot both phone and head unit to establish a clean session and avoid handshake errors. Finish by launching the mirroring session and confirming audio, mic, and touch control work. Make small adjustments to volume and latency within the app for stable performance. If you encounter a black screen or stuttering, first toggle USB debugging or switch to another cable or port, because most issues are physical. Make sure Android Auto defaults are cleared and regrant all permissions if the connection still fails. This forces a fresh handshake and usually resolves permission or profile conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.